In this video, you're going to learn about the powerful benefits of dandelion root, from detoxifying your liver and improving digestion, to balancing blood sugar and supporting healthy weight loss. We've researched the science behind dandelion root for years, and it's the same natural remedy I personally use and recommend. Whether you're in your 20s or over 60, these are proven ways this humble herb can transform your health naturally. And today, you'll even discover how the benefits of dandelion root go beyond tea. I'll show you how it may help with cellulite, constipation, and even detoxing heavy metals, something most people never realize. I drink the tea regularly and also take it as a supplement. I remember when I was a kid in Ohio, we used to see dandelions everywhere and play with them, pulling them out of the ground. It's amazing to think that something most people see as just a weed is actually one of the best natural plants for your health. It helps clean your liver, boosts your body's natural antioxidants, and even supports weight loss. Let's start with one of the main benefits of dandelion. It works as a natural diuretic. That means it helps your body get rid of extra water. Dandelion is rich in important nutrients like potassium, calcium, and vitamin K. Because it has a lot of potassium, it helps reduce water retention in the body, which can support weight loss. So, if you're holding on to extra fluid and that's adding to your weight, drinking dandelion tea can help flush it out. It's also helpful for reducing bloating and even cellulite. On top of that, it can relieve constipation by helping things move better through your system. If you're looking for something natural to help your body stay active and regular, dandelion is one of the best options. You can take it as a capsule or drink it as tea, both work well. I personally recommend drinking 1 cup of dandelion tea 2 times a day. And honestly, it tastes really good. It's actually my favorite when it comes to flavor, which makes it even easier to enjoy every day. Also, as I mentioned earlier, dandelion supports liver detoxification. It causes your body to produce a couple of internal antioxidants, one of those being glutathione, and because of that it supports your liver in detox. In fact, my top 2 herbs for liver detoxification are milk thistle and dandelion. They're the 2 most powerful at supporting the liver. So doing those on a regular basis, if you want to do a liver cleanse or detoxify the liver, dandelion is an absolute must on a regular basis. Dandelion also plays a big role in helping your body digest fats properly. Your liver makes a fluid called bile, which breaks down the fats you eat, and dandelion supports your liver in making more of that bile. If your body isn't digesting fats well, you might notice issues like rosacea or problems with your gallbladder, like pain or discomfort after eating fatty foods. Dandelion can help with both. It keeps bile flowing smoothly and supports overall gallbladder function. Additionally, when your fat digestion improves, your body can absorb fat-soluble vitamins like A, D, E, and K more effectively. That means dandelion isn't just helping your digestion, it's also boosting your nutrition and overall energy levels. Dandelion is also helpful when it comes to removing harmful toxins like heavy metals from your body. If you've been exposed to things like lead, mercury, or aluminum, whether through food, water, or the environment, these metals can build up in your system over time and affect your health. Since dandelion supports liver function, it helps your body naturally get rid of these toxic substances. A healthy liver is your body's main filter, and dandelion makes sure that filter is working at its best. Some studies even suggest that dandelion may protect liver cells from damage caused by toxins, making it a powerful herb for long-term detox and cleansing. The other few things that dandelion is beneficial for: it's been shown to be effective in the treatment of type 2 diabetes and naturally balancing out your blood sugar levels. So if you struggle with low energy, or you know that your blood sugar's up and down, or you're a diabetic and you need a natural remedy, then dandelion or drinking dandelion tea throughout your day is absolutely one of the best things you can do on a regular basis. Candida is a type of yeast that naturally lives in your body, especially in your gut. But when it grows out of control, it can lead to a number of issues like digestive discomfort, bloating, sugar cravings, skin problems, fatigue, and even repeated infections like thrush or urinary tract infections. Many people don't even realize they're dealing with Candida overgrowth because the symptoms can be so general. Dandelion is considered a bitter herb, and bitter herbs are excellent for improving digestion and supporting liver function. The bitter compounds in dandelion help stimulate digestive enzymes and bile production, which naturally improves gut function. A healthier gut means it's harder for Candida to survive and spread. Dandelion also helps remove toxins and waste that Candida yeast feed on, basically cleaning up the environment where this overgrowth thrives. Plus, Dandelion is rich in prebiotics, which feed the good bacteria in your gut. These good bacteria are essential for keeping Candida under control. When your gut microbiome is balanced, harmful yeast and pathogens are less likely to cause problems. So by drinking dandelion tea regularly or taking it as a supplement, you're not only fighting Candida, you're also creating a more balanced, stronger digestive system overall. But that's not all. Dandelion root has also shown some promising effects against cancer cells, especially when it comes to colon cancer. In recent studies, researchers found that extracts from dandelion root can actually help slow down the growth of cancer cells. And in some cases, even trigger those cells to self-destruct, a process called apoptosis. What's really amazing is that dandelion root seems to target the harmful cells while leaving the healthy cells alone, which is something many traditional treatments struggle with. One particular study on colon cancer cells showed that dandelion root extract was able to disrupt the energy supply inside the cancer cells, making it harder for them to survive and spread. This is a big discovery because colon cancer is one of the most common types of cancer around the world, and finding natural ways to support treatment or prevention is incredibly valuable. While more research is still being done, these early results are very encouraging. People who are focused on cancer prevention or supporting their body during recovery may find that adding dandelion tea or supplements into their daily routine could be a gentle yet effective way to help the body's natural defense systems. So again, what I recommend is take dandelion in supplement form twice a day or 1 glass of dandelion tea once to twice daily. Especially take this if you want to go through a quality liver detoxification program. Again, dandelion's one of the best. If you've enjoyed this video on the benefits of dandelion and dandelion tea, then hey, make sure you subscribe. I've got some other videos coming up soon on some other really powerful medicinal herbs you're going to love.